2004 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual front airbags, keyless entry, power windows, fog lamps, tilt steering wheel, power driver mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.